Welcome to Top Crew Aviation. This is your Captain PK Yadav. Before proceeding for item number 13, we would discuss about these four letters code which we would insert in departure as well as in destination aerodrome. How do we get these code, and what is the idea behind generating these code and how we can decode them? So we would understand them first, then we would proceed further for item number 13. So ICAO has given code to most of the location, like for Delhi it is VIDP. Now we would discuss about this code, how it has been designed and what does it mean. So guys, very first letter Victor is Apsara code. Again, full form of Apsara code is very important for your part 1 question number 5 as well as part 2, and the full form of Apsara code is Aeronautical Fixed Service Routing Area. Alright, so this world has been divided into 22 Apsara zones and provided a specific code for each zone. Why? For the safety of air navigation and for the regular, efficient and economical operations of air services. For an example, for USA it is Kilo, for Canada it is Charlie, for East and West Asia it is Victor, where we come in. India comes in East and West Asia. For Middle East it is Oscar. Guys, we need not to remember, it is just for our knowledge. Just remember that for India it is Victor. So in VIDP, Victor is Apsara code for India. And let's talk about the second letter in VIDP. So second letter can present a state, country, FIR accordingly. So what are the FIRs now? FIR is, the full form of FIR is Flight Information Region. For our country, India has divided into 4 major FIRs. That is, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. FIR code has given in vowels alphabetically order as per old name of all the cities as below, like Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi, Madras. So Victor would be the common, then A, E, I, O. So we do still follow these codes as it was decided previously as per the vowels alphabetically. So the city names have changed, but we have not changed any kind of these codes. We are following at the same we do still follow the same codes as previously. There is one more FIR which we would discuss in charts, but these are the major ones. Alright guys, note, no FIR in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Why they do not have any FIR? Because they are very small countries. So whenever we have something big like India, just to maintain the safety of traffic and to maintain the orderly flow of traffic, we divide it into the zones so that we can maintain it properly. Alright. So in VIDP, now we would discuss about third letter, which is for station code, which is very similar to navigation aid codes of the airport. Like a third letter is D. Alright. And if we talk about the Delhi VOR, that is Delta Papa November. For Jaipur VOR, that is Juliet Papa. So almost similar, I would say. Delhi Papa, alright, means departure is from Delhi. Same VABP, departure is from Bhopal. It should be similar, but not first or last 2 letters. So don't get confused guys. But still I would recommend for the last confirmation, we should always check our route, whatever is the route, okay? So in VIDP, third letter is name of the city and fourth letter is information center. Now we can decode this VIDP. Alright, so in VIDP we know now Victor, and we know about all the four letters. So we know now, after getting to know all these letters code, how we have designed them, what does it mean, so we can decode it now, that we are departing from Indian FIR is Delhi and city is also Delhi. That's it, guys. Here you go, your checklist. Like, subscribe and share.